Understanding crow's milk, a unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, crow's milk. This phrase might sound peculiar at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in conversations. Crow's milk is an idiomatic expression that is not commonly used in everyday English. It is a humorous or ironic phrase that implies something non-existent or impossible to find. Just like you cannot milk a crow, the phrase suggests the impossibility or absurdity of a situation. The phrase, crow's milk, likely originates from folklore or traditional sayings, where animals doing human-like activities were often used to depict impossible tasks or situations. Such expressions are meant to add a touch of humor or exaggeration to convey the unlikelihood of an event or action. 1. As a joke, you can use crow's milk to light-heartedly express that something is impossible or doesn't exist. Example: finding a quiet spot in the city is like looking for crow's milk. 2. To emphasize impossibility, when you want to stress that something cannot be done or found. Example: asking me to wake up at 4 a.m. is like asking for crow's milk. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning, such as hen's teeth, extremely rare, or flying pigs, impossible. Understanding these phrases helps in grasping the humor and nuance in English conversations. I hope this video has shed light on the quirky and intriguing phrase, crow's milk. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the culture and creativity behind them. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the English language. See you in the next video.